Hello, and thank you for joining Jessica's Tunisian Crochet Graphghan Boutique. My name is Sherry, and I'm going to show you how to do a half I-cord cast on using a Knooking hook or a locker hook. I'm going to be using a 4.5 millimeter. I prefer the locking hook because it has a little bit of a bigger eye to attach your waist yarn to. So I have my loop already on the hook. What you will do is you'll take the end that's not connected to your ball or skein of yarn, and you're going to take, wrap that around the front. Then you're going to take your working yarn, come on, and you're going to yarn over and pull through one, like a slip stitch almost. And you take the loose the yarn from the front, yarn from the front to the back, yarn over and pull through. Once again, you're taking the yarn that's loose in the front, or your tail. You're going to wrap it from the front to the back, and you're going to yarn over and pull through one. Do the couple some more times. Get some more stitches on the hook. And this will make a nice stretchy stitch, so that's really good for ribbings for like hats and sleeves. Let's see, how many do I have on here? I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Let's do a couple more. And you see here how this is really loose here compared to the other ones? I could easily just pop those off and redo them. And you don't lose everything that's already on your hook. So from the front to the back with your tail. If I can keep my fingers to work correctly today. And then yarn over and pull through one hook loop. See, that's a better one there. From the front to the back with the tail. Yarn over and pull through with your working yarn. Okay, that one got a little bit weirdy on me. Okay, so how many stitches do I have on here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And as you can see, I have 12 stitches on, but it is a very, very nice and stretchy cast on. Like I said, for working for ribbing, for hats, sleeves. And I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please give all our comment in our group, and we'll get back with you. Thank you.